Kwani nakataa? Kwani umekataa?
Enyewe nataka kama hiyo. Ndio mwenye aende kitu.
What's up, beautiful people? Hope you're having a fantastic day. Welcome back to my channel once again. As always, I'm Small Prince and I talk about trending topics and viral videos. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Narok Governor Samuel Tunai and 3 others involved in a helicopter crash in Eldamarat, Narok County. The governor, Narok East MP Ken Kiluko, and 2 other occupants of the helicopter escaped unhurt but were rushed to a nearby health facility for checkup. The accident attracted a huge crowd who rushed to offer assistance to the occupants and catch a glimpse of the crashed aircraft. There were no reports of deaths from the crash as of when this video was recorded. It remains unclear what led to the helicopter crash, and we will tell you more when we get more updates. That's it. Yalla.